Fashioneer. I bring fashion and engineering together to make fashioneering. On opening night, I went on an amazing adventure to the Museum of Science and Industry. The future exhibit was wearable technology, so you know I had to be there. I first found some backpacks that you could customize by changing the images. Would it be cool to play a game on your backpack? The neck airbag was pretty awesome too. No more whiplash. This was my favorite part. I got to wear a suit that lets you know if you're going to bump into something by vibrating on your shoulders when there's something in your way. There's a long line, but it's definitely worth it. This dress sparkles and has an interesting story. And this dress tells you if you're lying by giving you a shock. Eek! I like how it was made. This was my second favorite invention. This collar moves its petals depending on your facial expressions and body movement. This is how they made it. This fabric moves by wind control and lights up in a cool blue color. I got to draft my own invention. There are all types of colors and patterns. I went with all colors of glitter. Stay tuned for what I came up with. Would it be awesome to play music on an arm tattoo while waiting for your parents' attention? There's so much to do there! I got to weave fabric, twirl in musical shoelaces, and use magnetic shapes to make a robot outfit. What do you think?
You can actually stand up now. What are you doing?
I don't know. After food and more exploring, it was time to head home. Well, that's it for now. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Bye! Well, it's been a long day at the museum, right guys? Yep. Beep. Well, I guess it's time to go to